from Siem Reap, but I'm not stay at home. I come to water festival 3 days consistently. Thank you. I make video for 3 days too. Siem Reap people don't sleep at home, come to enjoy water festival together. Oh, I found the local from Siem Reap. Come to join the public boat now.
The last day water festival. Yes,
Still not late.
yes, please come. A lot of people and enjoy the last day.
Yes, and I like it. Enjoy your public boat.
Enjoy together last day. Yeah.
Yay! Bye bye. Bye bye. Day 3 of water festival start now. The people are early than we expected. So the crowd start, the traffic jam start also. Everyone, if you come, I highly recommend to take motorbike or walking. It will be better than taking the car, tuk-tuk, or the. So highly recommend you to come now. For these 3 days, I work in the morning till afternoon, but I still can enjoy the evening. Even you get tired, but water festival only celebrate once time a year. If you are local from Siem Reap, come to join us water festival. Enjoy Mochi. Do not wait, come now. Last day.